My name is Melanie Barillaro. I have 25 years experience of being a professional pilot. I hold my ATP with a couple type ratings in a Hawker, also an Airbus 320. I've been a flight instructor for all of those years, as well as working as a principal operations inspector and a senior accident investigator. We're going to be talking about safety and really mitigating risk, and should an accident be on the horizon for us, we can learn ways to crash safer and also survivability factors once we get down on the ground. It's so important to talk about forced landings as well as accidents that happen. Every crash, we take away something that we can learn from. And if we can get any bit of information of what caused that crash, we can help somebody else from not getting into that same situation. So many crashes aren't fatal. And in fact, some people walk away and we go, how did that person survive that crash? What did they do differently? And our goal is to teach people that. As you're taking your private pilot, your instrument, your commercial lessons, we're focusing so much more on the skill of flying, how to pass the test, that we forget to teach our students and our pilots and our upgrades how can we successfully learn to crash? And post-mortem chats are a lot better than never talking about it. Because if it's always a piece in the back of your mind saying, at this very moment, if I lost my engine, where would I land? If that's always on the top of your mind, you will know how to get out of the sky safely, regardless of what condition is presented to you.